of travel as we look at vision. You said that everyone's the same, that it get treated equally, and I think as an industry, as we move forward, you're going to see more of that. You're going to see less pandering to the traveler and more like we are in this together. And I think it's an important distinction to make. Leonardo DiCaprio, if we're going to use him as an example, I'll roll with that, but maybe he just wanted to be left alone. Maybe he deserved to be left alone. Maybe there's a hotel and a lodge in the future that welcomes you like family as opposed to a service provider. And I think that that's the direction that some of the more forward-thinking destinations, hotels, lodges, outfitters are looking for, because I think we crave that genuine, more organic interaction. So anyways, just want to throw my 2 cents on that.
Awesome.
But also everybody up here, if there's anyone that is famous in Nuuk, they're walking the same streets. Like we don't divide our own famous locals, which means that we don't divide the others as well.
And the market you're attracting should come here without those super high expectations. If you're communicating your brand and your message well, you're not going to have too many of those.
Yeah, we should not communicate that we're good at service.
You're good at being you. You're good at being new.
You're getting
come check us out.
Local experience.
You're actually not a tourist at all.
You're just
temporary local.
But that was one of the positive things that we were talking about. It's actually local. It's genuine. Like you're sailing the same boats as we do, we do well. The local.
Okay, you also do that well.
Yeah, the local experience. Like you're entering our lives. You're living in the center, looking at the drunks as we do, and you're going to the same bars we do. You eat at the same restaurants as we do. We don't divide. So we give a genuine, local, authentic, experience.